Good morning, friends. Today we'll discuss about variables in Python. Before discussing the syntax for variables, you must know what are variables. So, variables are the memory location where we can store some values for further computational purposes. Let's see about the syntax part of the variable. If we say n is a variable, then the value that it should hold, we should be declaring it in this form. Next example could be roll. If we say roll is the variable, then the value that it is going to store, that is 1, we can declare in this way. If we want to display the value of roll, we can simply write roll in the Python shell prompt. Or another way of displaying the value of roll is by using print function. The next kind of variable that we can have over here is the textual kind of variable. Like name, we want to hold name of the programming language Python. We'll have to make use of double inverted quotes or single inverted quotes as well. We can make use of whenever we want to have the textual kind of variable. And the same way we'll be using to display the value of the name variable. You can also know the type of this particular name variable, that is string type. You can also know the type of roll variable. We'll have to write in the same case, that is int type. That's it with today's session.